Hello friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. You will see how to prepare sculpture peony flower with the paste which I prepared last week, and that recipe is in the end. I had shown how to prepare the sculpture paste and preserved it in the polythene bag, and now I have added little MR Fevicol so that it is ready to use. I have taken 15 number palette knife to make the petals. I have taken an amount of sculpture paste and I have added oil light green color. You can add oil or acrylic or any other food colors to this mixture. While mixing the color, see the consistency of the paste and add little chalk powder if needed or Fevicol if needed. You can also add photo inks to this mixture. As I felt this color bit light, I mixed little bit of sap green of oil color in this paste. For light shades you can mix these photo inks, and for darker shades you can mix little bit of oil colors or acrylic colors. Keep the sculpture paste in oval shape. Clean the knife with the cloth and then take from the left number of times and then from the right number of times and apply glue while sticking these petals on the MDF board. If you are making a leaf, give the shape of the leaf with the hand, and then with the knife you can make the lines inside the leaf. Then I am again making another leaf. Take 4 to 5 times from the right side, then again 4 to 5 times from the left side of the knife, and then make the leaf. In my next video, I'll show you how to make simple leaves and petals with the knife and the basic strokes, how to use the knife so that you can make the paste which I have made and then make the flowers also very easily. Those who don't know how to prepare the sculpture paste can see in the end of this video how to prepare it, because last week I posted the video. Now I have taken one more small portion and mixed pink according to the shade I want in the paste, and this time I have taken acrylic pink. In another portion I have taken mauve and I am mixing that paste. With the paste which I prepared last week, I could make 3 leaves and 1 peony flower. And now I'll prepare more paste so that I can complete the design on the board. With hand you can give the leaf shape properly, and with knife you can make the lines inside the leaf. Now again I have kept the sculpture paste in oval shape. Then from the left I am taking with the knife 15 number, and then from the right I am making the petal of peony. Take any soft brush, make it wet and make the petals smooth inside with the brush. As the pink color paste is over, I am mixing the sculpture paste of pink little more. This homemade paste is very easy to prepare and very good to use, and it has given very good result, as you can see in this video. To lift the petals of the flower, you can use tissue paper, small balls, and keep under the petals to lift the petals. After the petals are dry, you can remove these tissue paper balls. Now I have taken mauve color sculpture paste for inside petals. As I have placed all the inside petals, you can see the peony flower is ready. If you want keep some pollens inside, you can keep the ready-made pollens, or otherwise also this flower is very beautiful. Now I am showing you how to prepare the sculpture paste. First take the tissue paper, tear into small pieces, soak them in the water and remove the water and grind in the mixie. Then add 5 spoons of chalk powder, good quality, then 3 spoons of SH Fevicol and 3 spoons of talcum powder. And if the mixture is little soft and loose, you can add little more of chalk powder. Mix these all things very well and make it into a soft paste. After mixing well, add little bit of acrylic white in this mixture and preserve this sculpture paste mixture in a plastic cover. I have used this mixture after a week and it is very good. And if it is little bit of dry, you can add little more of MR Fevicol in this mixture. Now I have taken texture white and I am applying on the MDF round board, and I have added in the texture white lemon yellow acrylic color, and I have kept this round base to dry, and then after a week I have made this sculpture paste flower on this board. Do see my next video on sculpture paste, because I'll be showing you the basic strokes with knife and how to use this sculpture paste and how to make easy leaves and petals. Those who are interested in online professional courses can contact me. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and art techniques. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.